Good morning, students. Students, as you know, in your class, geography is going on, and in the last class, we have discussed about geography, chapter 5, major domains of the earth, and we will continue the last class about the major domains of the earth. And in the last class, we have discussed about continent and today we are going to discuss about few more topic related to your chapter, and today we have to discuss about hydrosphere. 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 What is hydrosphere? The hydrosphere is the world of water. The hydrosphere of the world of water that surrounds all of us. Anything related to the water is part of the hydrosphere. Hydrosphere means the part of water. It includes all the water on the earth in any form. So, to the earth, it is called a blue planet due to water. And solid form such as the snow and glacier, liquid form such as ocean, sea, river, and gaseous form such as vapors and moisture in the atmosphere. All life depend on the water. From the tiny bacteria to the largest dinosaur, liquid water make the earth a special place. And near about 97% of the total water on the earth is found in ocean and seas. The southern hemisphere has more water and less land. Most of the ocean and seas are in the southern hemisphere. That is why it is called water hemisphere also. To the southern hemisphere. Now ocean. After the hydrosphere, we discuss about oceans. You know, oceans are very large water bodies separated by continent, and there are 5 oceans on the earth, and there are 5 oceans on the earth. The 5 oceans are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, and the Arctic Ocean. Up to the year 2000, only 4 oceans were recognized in the year 2000. Southern Ocean is the latest ocean. In fact, there is only one global ocean, as the ocean interconnected. That is why the level of seawater remains the same throughout the world. In addition to major ocean, there are branches of ocean called seas. The largest seas are South China Sea, the Caribbean Sea, and the Mediterranean Sea. Now first we will discuss in the ocean. First, Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean. It is the largest ocean, and Mariana Trench in this ocean, the largest point on the earth. It is 11,000 km below sea level. Pacific Ocean, the largest ocean. And students, you know, all around the Pacific Ocean there is a horse shaped like a number of the volcano. Second ocean, Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean. You know Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean. The continent of North America and South America lie in the west, and the continent Europe, Africa lie on in the east. And this ocean is the busiest ocean because they are very busy. The trading route in this ocean, and Atlantic Ocean is shaped like the letter S. Shaped letter S. In this shape, S shape, the Atlantic Ocean. Okay, and equator divide also in North Atlantic and South Atlantic. Means this ocean is like a horseshoe. This ocean is like a horseshoe, and this ocean like a shaped S. Now Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean. About Indian Ocean. You know Indian Ocean. We will discuss right now about Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean is the third largest major ocean. Indian Ocean is the third largest ocean, and it is only ocean to name after a country, India. And it is bordered by Asia in the north, Australia in the east, and Africa in the west. And it is triangular in shape. Triangular shape. Triangular shape. Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean. You know about Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean lying within the Arctic Circle, surround North Pole, and remain frozen the most part of the year. And countries touching the Arctic Ocean are Russia and Greenland, Canada. It connected to the Pacific Ocean by narrow water called the Bering Strait. It is the smallest ocean. Smallest ocean. Note down all the points, student. Very important. Arctic Ocean, smallest ocean, and Southern Ocean. Main important ocean 1, 2, 3, 4, and number 5 is not important. Southern Ocean. You know Southern Ocean, the large mass of water surrounding the continent of Antarctica is known as the Southern Ocean. It is in fact an extension of Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean. The temperature in this region remains very low, and a large part of the ocean remains frozen throughout the year. Note down this all the point. Only 4 ocean is important. It is less important, but the name has been given. And if you wish, you can leave this ocean. Only 4 ocean important, and you have to study 4 ocean. Note down about 4 ocean. Note it. Have you noted? Okay. Now next topic. Atmosphere. Atmosphere. Now we are going to discuss about atmosphere. You know, atmosphere is the blanket of gases surrounding the earth and held in place by Earth's gravitational pull. The atmosphere extends up to approximately 1600 km above the surface of the earth, and it is not uniform everywhere. It varies with height. It is very dense near the surface of the earth. And as we go up, atmosphere thin considerably and unfit to the gradually merge with space. Atmosphere is extremely important for life exist on the earth and protect it. The air atmosphere consists of nitrogen, nitrogen 78.1%, nitrogen 78.1%, oxygen 21%, and argon 1%. Here 78%, near about 78%, 21% and 1%. Okay. So these places in this argon 1%, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, nitrous oxide, hydrogen, helium and neon, ozone, this type gases included. What is the importance? Have you noted this point? And we have to discuss importance of atmosphere. Importance of atmosphere. You know, student, oxygen is needed to all the living people. What is the importance? Oxygen is needed to all the living people. Means oxygen is necessary to the life. And where we find oxygen? In the atmosphere. We find oxygen in the atmosphere. And oxygen is 21%. Means it is a very necessary for the life. And carbon dioxide is harmful to our life. But it is Important here, carbon dioxide is harmful to the people, but it is very helpful to the plant, because through the photosynthesis plants making a food. And one more importance about the atmosphere. More importance about the atmosphere provide inculture to the earth and absorbing the heat to the sun and keep the heat inside the atmosphere, thus help the earth in staying warm. And this is called the greenhouse effect. Means this is the manage the ecosystem. Through this system, the earth is warm and it is a managed to the ecosystem, and ozone gas also in the atmosphere filter out the sun's harmful ultraviolet radiation. It also manages the sun's harmful ultraviolet radiation. With this and the importance of the atmosphere, it also atmospheric temperature greatly affect the climatic condition like level of precipitation, storms, etc. Now student, have you noted all the point? After that, we have to discuss about various layers of the Earth's atmosphere. Means in this atmosphere are different type layers also, and these layers is important to understand about the life and in which layers what becomes. Means in which layer we are living, in which layer the birds, the aeroplane is flying, and the different layers of the atmosphere. About all the layers we have to discuss, and about more topic we will discuss in the next class. Okay, today note down homework. Which ocean is the S shape? S shape. Which ocean is the S shape? Second, name the largest ocean. What is the use of carbon dioxide? What is the use of carbon dioxide What is the use of carbon dioxide to the plants? Fourth homework. What is the percentage? What is the percentage of oxygen? What is the percentage of oxygen in the atmosphere? What is the percentage of oxygen in the atmosphere? Your first homework, which ocean is the S shape? Which ocean is the S shape? I have explained about the ocean and I have told to you about S shape ocean. Second homework, name the largest ocean. Third homework, what is the use of carbon dioxide to the plants? What is the use of carbon dioxide to the plant? Means you have to see the importance of the carbon dioxide to the plants. Number fourth homework, what is the percentage of oxygen in the atmosphere? Okay, very easy homework. Note down your homework and you have to do all the homework. Note it. Have you noted, students, all the homework? Okay, good. So student, about the more topic we have to discuss, and about topic, all the topic, rest of the topic we will discuss in the next class. Thank you student. Have a good day. And one more thing, important thing, student, all the students subscribe the channel, and when you will subscribe, easily you can get all the question answer and video class. Also, when you will subscribe the channel, then question answer and all the things you will get easily. Okay, thank you.